Chef J?
Chef J is there.
Yeah.
Yes, he's doing.
Hey.
I've got all the knives, got all the bowls, oils, everything in place. We'll get some grocery out.
4 trolleys just for Headbangers Kitchen. You have this whole pile of meat that you got. Meat is good. Thank you, sir. I'm going to make a bacon bomb and I'm going to make a quiche, chicken burgers, and what else can I make?
So I don't think you need more
I'm
vegetables.
going to make a paneer piccata for the vegetarians.
Oh.
We got the bread, we got the meat, we got the lettuce, we got the oil, we got the... I've never had a choice of eggs in my life. Oh wow. Cheddar is good. Hello everyone, welcome to Headbangers Kitchen live at Food Hall. And I'm going to have a really special guest today. There's a gentleman called Chef J, who's a really fun guy and knows a lot about food. And if you want to twist your taste, he's the man. You can follow him on Twitter at Chef J Food Hall. There's no .com, right? Food Hall has pretty much everything under the sun that you need. And my favorite counter is behind me. That's meat. Can get bigger buns than these, but if you are like me who prefers a meatier patty and smaller bread bun, then this is absolutely perfect for the job. So shall we begin the fun stuff now? Yes, so we make the patty first. What we'll do is we'll add some salt to it. The recipe is complete without pepper. Use as less liquidy stuff as possible. So I'm going to take about 6 olives I think for this. We're going to get egg actually. 1 more egg to sort of bind the meat together. I'm going to break an egg into this now. Everything in here, we're going to have to get down and dirty and mix this. Oh! Making a burger is one of the simplest things to do actually. Oh wow, it's become crispy actually. Let's cut up some bread. You can eat this without the bread, or you can eat with bread on the side because it's so tasty. That's so good, and that's huge, yeah. See what? I don't think it's that spicy actually. Okay, let's get 2 more people to taste this. 2 gentlemen with a DR t-shirt. Are you a vegetarian?
I'm a vegetarian.
Okay, can we wash them once? They have a little bit of stuff on them. Right now, cutting mushrooms for the mushroom quiche. So I'm going to cook these mushrooms in some butter. And I'm going to put some salt and pepper on this. And a little bit of trivia is that when you put salt and pepper on mushrooms, they start to sweat. Yeah, fresh pepper. Go buy one right now. Put it in whole. Enough flavor in there. Okay, for the quiche we're going to use 3 eggs. So I'm going to add some cream to this now. Fresh cream. And if you don't have cream you can use milk, but then use less milk because milk is a lot thinner. Now the mushrooms are almost done, so I'm going to put some basil in this, dried basil. Amazing Kraft cheese, which is zip pack. You just mix that in. That's done. And what we're going to do is we're going to put the mushrooms now in this. And I've used 2 packets of mushrooms here, so you can use 3 if you want it to be stuffed a little more.
Can we make more spicy food?
Yes, if you like spicy food, you can add chili flakes into this. 250. 250, and just keep an eye on it basically when it turns into brown color.
Okay, done. Me.
Aye. Yeah, so go for it if it's not too hot. So I said use a tissue paper.
Honestly, amazing. Let's try this out.
I hope you enjoyed the food and I'll see you at the last day. Thank you.